Friday afternoon, right after work, I decide I'm gonna ride down to Collegeville, meet my brother, and get ready for the MCMC Ride Event the next day. So it was pretty eventful, as you can see.
Currently on the Turnpike. So now there has been some sort of a major accident on 76. Oh, yep. And I am stuck in traffic. And it is hot. So when you're in these situations, what you do is wait and pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that whoever is involved in such a calamity is, Allah grants them health and mitigates the losses. Great. The moment I get off the bike, I think that everything is fine. I feel that there's another cop coming. So still stuck here on 76. People have stepped out of the cars. So how many people can say we have been walking on 76? The traffic's blocked for miles, all the way from here. Oh, we're finally moving. This is crazy. My first real experience of being stuck on the side of the road on the Turnpike. Klein Road. And it's amazing how friendly people get. It's nice when you're not connected. In fact, what happened was, even the place where we got stuck, there was no internet. The GPS signals were down for a while, and that kind of forced folks to kind of talk to each other. So this bunch of people here, they actually gave me water there in this Altima, so they're very nice.